right, our next guest, our next presenter will be Crossroads Manufacturing, hailing from Clarksville. Give him a hand.
My name is Keith Niehaus, and my dream is to create a thriving manufacturing business.
My name is Dan Kielman. Keith and I have been friends since grade school. When Keith told me about his idea for the Worksite Hawk, I offered to invest and help him get started.
Our third partner is Keith Bailey. Bailey and I worked together for 10 years in mobile solar traffic control devices. Bailey's expertise is technology and customer training. Bailey and I are the two current employees of Crossroads Manufacturing.
Keith and Bailey's previous experience working together and their industry knowledge has helped them to hit the ground running. In fact, it took them less than 3 months to create and design the first Worksite Hawk, integrate the technology, and start demonstrating it to potential customers.
Yes, we hit the road and started meeting with construction equipment rental companies that we knew, as well as various types of construction end users. It only took us a month to get our first order.
Before we go any further, let's talk about the basics of the Worksite Hawk.
It is trailer-based and mobile. The adjustable solar panel generates its own power, which is stored in 2 AGM no-maintenance batteries. The video camera and electronics are protected in a temperature-controlled housing on top of the mast. The camera is controlled remotely via computer, tablet, or cell phone, and can pan, tilt, and zoom 360 degrees. The telescoping mast can raise to the height of 19 feet into the air. During the daytime, the Worksite Hawk provides job site monitoring and gives owners and managers the ability to check in from anywhere for job site productivity or to check on the arrival of equipment or materials. At night, it can be focused on equipment, materials, or other valuables to detect movement and send notifications by text and or email, including a video clip of what just happened. In addition, as a form of crime prevention, when movement is detected, a strobe light begins to flash in an effort to alert trespassers and scare them away.
We just spent 2 weeks with our manufacturer's rep group in the Northeast, making sales calls to equipment rental companies. The feedback was very strong, and the reps demo unit is booked solid for the next 2 months. So the reps are even requesting a second demo unit. In fact, the first demo unit we gave them is being purchased by the very first rental company it was shown to.
Our market research has identified some competition doing a less advanced variation of the Worksite Hawk. They use time-lapse video, which is seen in the past, not the present, and we use live video and have discovered a way to do so without racking up data charges. Our Northeast sales trip shows that we have the potential of establishing ourselves as the go-to supplier in this niche, as the Worksite Hawk is at least 23% less expensive and offers many more features. This is all possible because of our ability to combine solar power with electronics such as an encoder, 4G LTE cellular modem, along with GPS and video analytics that can differentiate between a person, animals, and vehicles.
Construction rental companies are likely going to be our biggest distributors. They can either sell or rent the Worksite Hawk to their customers. Their cost is $19,250, and our profit margin is 56%.
When I was in the mobile solar traffic control business, I created a system to pull through sales. We target market the end users around a receptive equipment rental company, and then provide referrals to those rental companies. It is a proven system and a win-win proposition.
We started creating our marketing system last fall. Each week, we send an educational email newsletter to stay in front of potential customers. Our email database is 10,000 strong and growing. These email blasts create a continuous stream of inquiries.
The Worksite Hawk is a new product launch, so we are doing a lot of educating. Depending on the level of interest, we do Skype or FaceTime demos from our shop, or sometimes set up the software on their own computer so they can get a first-hand experience of just how the camera works.
Use of funds. The manufacturer reps are a key tool in the education process. They have established relationships that open doors for demonstrations and provide instant credibility. Our experience has shown us that our path to market is through construction equipment rental companies via the regional manufacturer reps.
We want to bring on another manufacturer rep group this summer, either in the Southeast or in Texas. The $5,000 Dream Big contest winnings will pay over half of the $8,500 needed to provide a new manufacturer rep group a Worksite Hawk demo unit. If we also win the grand prize, we will start 2 new rep groups with 2 demo units to penetrate 2 new territories.
Back to our startup story. After we got our first sale last August, we concentrated on building our manufacturing system. We also created a tiered inventory to allow us to respond quickly to orders. Our current facility, with just 3 to 4 future employees, could produce up to 100 units a year. In 5 years, we project our sales will justify a new, larger facility and more employees.
In closing, the Worksite Hawk has received positive feedback since the beginning in sales calls, at the World of Concrete trade show, and most recently during our Northeast sales trip. In fact, the World of Concrete show was so successful that we sold the show unit to a Colorado company and delivered it on the way back to Iowa. We are in this to grow a business and provide good jobs. We have made incredible progress since we started just a year ago. Winning the Dream Big Here grant would help us more quickly grow our sales by adding a new manufacturer's rep.